Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC from your Coinbase wallet to your Tangem wallet. XDC, or XinFin's digital currency, is gaining traction for its efficiency in cross-border transactions, and moving it securely is key. Whether you're building your portfolio or just experimenting, this process is easier than you might think. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase wallet with some XDC in it, double-check your balance, and a Tangem wallet ready to receive funds. Tangem wallets are hardware-based for extra security, which is perfect for 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Oh, and always verify that your wallets are updated to the latest versions to avoid any hiccups. Alright, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet app on your mobile device or web browser. Navigate to your XDC holdings by selecting the asset from your portfolio. Once you're there, look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right at the top. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input the recipient address from your Tangem wallet. To get that, open your Tangem wallet app, select XDC, and copy the wallet address. Paste it carefully into the Coinbase field, then specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so triple-check everything to prevent any costly mistakes. Step 3. Review and confirm. Coinbase will show you a summary of the transaction, including any fees, which might vary based on network congestion in 2025. If everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email, and the funds should hit your Tangem wallet in a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Finally, once it's done, check your Tangem wallet to ensure the XDC has arrived. If you run into issues, like delayed transactions, don't panic. Just reach out to Coinbase support or check the XinFin network status. That's it, you've successfully moved your XDC. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you in the next video.